Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to DIY Art Plus. So look what I get. It's a mug head press and it's from Offnova. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but yeah, welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. So again, I'm gonna be using this mug head press and I never used this before, so this is my first time gonna be using this, and they are so nice of them that they send me this machine. So let's open this. So it comes with this menu, and also there is this printed sheet that I'm gonna be using today, and also there is infusible ink pens. So you can find a link of this product in my description down below, so check it out. And this was very decent size. This can fit into one of my cube, so that's good. And there is also a cup in there, which is also good. So I just wanted to read this before I move, because it's just easy to follow the instructions from here. So this is very easy actually. All you have to do is open that clip and then add your design and add your cup there, and then close the clip again. So something like this. So let's start. So let me show you again. All the product that I received is right here. The mug heat press, infusible ink, the printed sheet on. It's actually I believe laser paper. So for this you need a laser paper, and I don't have a sublimation printer, otherwise I can also create my own design. That's why I am also planning to use infusible ink pen that they sent me, but I don't have laser paper, so I am gonna need that first and then I can do that. Alright, so let's start with this design first. So you can see all of this design if I turn my page like that, but I'm gonna use this two on the bottom that's here. So let's start cutting them. Oh, and they also sent me this one more thing, which is a tape dispenser, but this is not a regular tape. This tape is gonna work with the heat press, so this is kind of a special type of a tape. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah. So there are two of them here, and I'm just gonna put it on my dispenser. Okay, so let's start. So I take my cup and make sure that it's nice and clean, and I kind of clean it a little bit where I'm gonna put my design, and then I am just gonna place that design flip side like this, and I'm just gonna tape it on the edges. I also tape on top and bottom just so that it doesn't move. Alright, so now I'm gonna turn on my machine. So to turn this on, I'm just gonna press the button, and when I hear a click, I'm just gonna release it. Alright, so now it's gonna heat for about like maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and after it's reached to the temperature where it needs to be, it's gonna beep again. Alright, so now meanwhile that's happening, what I'm doing here is I wanna cover with the 2 more sheets of paper, just a regular paper, on top of my design, because I heard sometimes it bleeds and I don't want to ruin my machine, otherwise that's also going to transfer to my next cup, so just to protect that. Alright, so yeah, it's a couple minutes now and it just make a little sound. That means it's ready. So now I'm gonna put my cup in it and close the clip or lid, whatever you want to call it. Make sure it's lining up. And wait until it's beep again. So I want to show you one more thing, which is this sublimation ink marker. That's what it says, but I believe this is infusible ink. That's what it's called. Okay, so it says in the back here that I have to use a laser paper. So let's say if you don't have sublimation printer, you can also use infusible ink and create your own design on a laser paper. Make sure it's flip side. That's my plan for the next video. I'm gonna show you how I use this pen with the Cricut. Hopefully I can use this pen on my Cricut, and I'll show you how to do that, but for that I need to buy my laser paper first. So it didn't beep, but I see the light turned off here and there is some seconds going on, so I need to wait until everything, all the seconds finish, and then it's gonna beep. Alright, so finally I'm just gonna remove this from my machine here, and to be honest, this machine wasn't hot at all, but the handle of this cup may be slightly little warm, but the whole cup itself was really hot. So let's wait for a couple minutes or until it's kind of cool down a little bit. So alright, so it's slightly a little bit still hot, but I don't have any patience, so I'm just gonna open it. Oh my god, I was so surprised to see this. I mean, like, I made a cup. I cannot believe that. I know that there are some lines on the top and the sides. I didn't cut the paper perfectly. I didn't even notice that. So it also transferred. So yeah, I'm talking about these lines on the edges. So that also transferred. So next time I'm gonna not cut this. So do you see this line? Yeah, I'm not gonna cut that, and I'm just gonna do it one more time on the other side of this cup. Now again, I already taped it just like I showed you first time. Now I also want to cover my first design, because again I don't want to ruin my machine there, so I just covered it with a couple more paper there, and I'm gonna put it back there. So it says I can remove my cup after all of these seconds are done. So you can see the countdown here. I mean, just wait for it. So I'm telling you my honest kind of a review, I guess. So if I touch the machine, it's not hot, it's not even warm, it's slightly little warm, I guess. But this started beeping and it's done. So again, I'm just gonna remove my cup, wait for it to cool down a little bit, and then I'll show you. And to be honest, for this side of the cup, I didn't even wait. I just kind of go for it and remove the tape. And look at this! Oh my god! I also love these colors, like how it transferred to this cup. Amazing. This is what I'm gonna be using from now, I guess, until I make my next one. So yeah, I'm all done with this video. And what do you think about my cup? I love this. So again, if you want to check out the link of this product, it's gonna be in my description down below. And yeah, what do you think about this cup? And let me know in the comment. I love to know what's your opinion, what do you want me to try next time, I guess. And thank you so much for watching all of my video and for all the support you guys are giving me. And again, thank you so much, and I will see you maybe next time whenever I make something or I paint something. All right, take care, bye.